Hey there, Health Science 1 honors students. We're just talking about the final honors project, the honors poster and model project, which is due on December 7th. If you look at our Canvas page and click on modules and scroll down to where we have our honors project sections, if you click on honors project poster and model, you'll see the due date here. And then if you click here, it'll bring you to this rubric. So please check out the rubric, read it thoroughly to answer any questions about the project. Just the project description here, this project contains two components, a model of a physiological function that happens within the body, okay? And then also it says a trifold poster display that explains and describes the function that you are trying to showcase with your model, the anatomy involved, how your model showcases the function, and then condition that affects this function, findings about the function of the body, how to take care of your body so that it continues to function appropriately. One of the big questions is do I have to make an actual poster? In this virtual setting, you do not. I do want you to make a physical model of the body part that you are trying to display the function of. However, instead of doing a poster, you are able to make like a slide presentation containing all of the information, okay? If you do choose to make a poster, here's just an example of past work. This student made a poster and literally submitted a photo of it, which will work fine as well. And just here's a sample of her model. So it just has to be using household materials. Now in her project, not only did she talk about the physiological function of a healthy artery, she compared it to an unhealthy artery and showcased a pathophysiology there. You are not required to do that, okay? You are not required to showcase a pathophysiology, just how a body part works. If you're confused, please read deeper into the rubric because it does give you examples, okay? So for example here, right here, this is simply showing how a hinge joint works. It tells you materials that are used just to show how the muscles and the bones work to form this hinge joint and how it works. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a normal functioning body part and then what goes wrong, okay? So again, please reference the rubric when you're making your projects, but you should have an actual physical model of something, and then you should have either a poster or a slide presentation describing all of these things about your model. Think of it like a science fair. We had to make something physical and then make a poster to describe it. That's essentially what this is, okay? Good luck, and again, read through the model, or excuse me, read through the rubric. And then at that point, if you've thoroughly read the rubric, looked at the samples that are posted and still have questions, feel free to reach out to me via email.